maybe for you, what are we going to make today?
Today we are going to make snow ice cream.
Snow ice cream! What do we need?
We need 2 teaspoons of vanilla,
A half a cup of sugar, and 1 cup of evaporated milk, or 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk without the sugar, and
snow! 10 cups of snow!
that's a lot of snow. Do you think we have 10 cups of snow outside?
Yes, let's go get it.
Okay. We are back from our snow adventure.
It was cold.
So let's warm ourselves up with some ice cream.
Yay!
The first thing you want to do is take your sugar and mix it with your evaporated milk. So just go ahead and mix that together. And while I'm mixing, do you want to go ahead and put the vanilla into our snow?
Yeah.
That looks delicious. It smells even better. Okay. Let me add the milk, okay? And then just go ahead and pour your milk in the big bowl and mix. Now that your ice cream is all mixed, it's time to dish it out and enjoy. There you go.
Don't forget the chocolate and the sprinkles.
I like mine plain. More for me? Now this is a taste test for us. We've never had snow ice cream before. That's actually really good,
Yeah.
right? You should try this. It's surprisingly delicious. We weren't sure we had high hopes for it. What do you think? Should we do this again?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, well this is the perfect thing to do with your kids on a snowy day. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you soon.
Yeah.
Bye!